I guess this could be another Asian dish, and everything is in there except for the cold noodles. And the cold noodles that I'm using usually aren't for a cold item. So I like the noodles, and I'm doing it this way. There we go. With the peanut oil, and everything is in here. Everything cut up. It looks like a lot, but you know what's going to happen. It's going to fizzle down to nothing. This only takes a few minutes. I cut the broccoli very small because once the kale shrinks to nothing, this thing is done. And then I'll add the mixture of the soy sauce with the hoisen, and whatever is a little honey, whatever is wet is in here. And I blended it, well, I mixed it together. That way it's easier to put. And I used pickled ginger. Why? Because I'm going to eat this cold and it's like a salad. So if it has a little vinegar flavor in it, that's fine. See how nicely it shrinks? And this is going to be my dinner. Or maybe my lunch. So it's right in between lunch and dinner right now, where I am. So therefore, I'm going to throw in there the roasted black sesame seeds. That's for color and flavor. Now, I didn't make them black. You buy them like that. Gives it a nice appearance. And then this mix, get everything out of there. Oh yeah, what else is in there was the seasoned rice vinegar that you can put on salads. And now this is done. How simple. And this rice noodle that I'm using, which is supposed to be used for a hot dish. So actually, I can eat it now like this, or wait a little while and let it cool down. And that is it, except for one last item, which I always wait the last minute to do, and that is the scallions. So I will quickly cut them up and put the amount on the recipe, which is going to be a little bit more than what I have here. This way I can get done with this. If I make this on one video clip, which I did already on a couple of things, I don't have to use Windows Movie Maker to bring them together. So this is one clip, and I can send this directly up to my YouTube channel. Let's look at this on a plate. How lovely. What kind of plate? about just a white bowl. Move this off to the side. So there's very little oil in here, except one more drop of, which you always add at the very end, which is a little bit of peanut oil. So I'll just drizzle a drop on there, a little more on there, and we are done. I hope you enjoyed. This was a quickie.